Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be solving another simultaneous equation using the substitution method. The question is question number 7 from additional maths book of Cambridge IGCSE exercise 2.1. So the question is 2x plus y is equal to 7 and xy is equal to 6. Now we are going to take this equation, sorry, this equation and turn to y is equal to 7 minus 2x. So we can apply this in the place of y in this equation to x into 7 minus 2x is equal to 6. 7x minus 2x squared minus 6 is equal to 0. This has been taken here, brought over here using the flipping its sign into a minus. So if we rearrange these, we get 2x squared plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we do not want any sign in front of the x squared, so 2x squared. So we're going to take minus 1 common and take it to the other side to multiply it by 0. Okay. So for reference, we're just going to take minus 1 common and just divide it by 0 over there. It is so we're left with 2x. Here's 2x squared minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. 2 into 6 is actually 12, and minus 3 minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, and multiplied we get the answer of 12. So 2x squared minus 4x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. You can take 2x common, 2x, x minus 2, and here we're going to take minus 3 common, so minus 3 x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 and here 2x is equal to 3 and here it is multiplying by x, so we're going to take it there and divide it by 3. X equal to 3 upon. Now to put these values in the starting equation, which was y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 is 1.5. Sorry, we're not going to multiply. Cut 2 by 2. Y is equal to 7 minus 3, which is y is equal to 4. And we get the answer of 3 comma 3 upon 2. 3 comma 2 comma 3 upon 2 comma 4. And here y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 2, which is y is equal to 7 minus 4. Y is equal to 3. 2 comma 3. So this was the answer of question number 7 of exercise 2.1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Uh, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with friends who need it or want to improve. And I hope you found this video informative. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Inshallah.